हमारी खाक से खुशबू वतन की आएगी, हमारी खाक से खुशबू वतन की आएगी, हमारा खून है शामिल इस वतन की मिट्टी में। ग्रीटिंग एवरीवन, ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल, रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स and my dear fellows. My name is Saim Khan and I am student of class 6. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of Pakistan and give tribute to our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for us. It is the most important day for the people of Pakistan because Pakistan became independent after lots of hardship, sacrifices of the brave Pakistani freedom fighters. From that onward, 14 August became a very important day in Pakistan history and in the hearts of every Pakistani. Today, on the occasion of Independence Day, let's make a promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone and educating ourselves. खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशे ज़वाल न हो। यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे सदा, यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे सदा, यहाँ खिज़ां को भी गुजरने की मजाल न हो। थैंक यू। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।